In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print voucher in QuickBooks. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to print a payment voucher in QuickBooks Desktop, plus an alternative method that's great when you're paying multiple bills at once. This guide focuses on QuickBooks Desktop, so your screen should have the classic top menu bar. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop. At the top, click Reports. This is where you can quickly find transactions tied to vendors, so you're pulling the exact payment you want to print. Hover over Vendors and Payables, then select Transaction List by Vendor. This report groups transactions by vendor, making it much easier to spot the bill payment you need. If you want to narrow things down, customize the report. Click Customize Report. Set your date range so you're only seeing payments from the period you care about. Then go to the Filters tab and set Transaction Type to Bill Payment. This ensures you're viewing payments rather than bills or credits. Click OK to apply the changes. With this filter, your list should be clean and focused on payments only, which speeds up the next step. Find the bill payment you want in the report and double-click it. That opens the Bill Payment Check window. This window shows the payment details and the bills it covered, exactly what the voucher will reflect. Take a moment to confirm the amount, vendor, bank account, and the invoices that were paid so the voucher matches your records. To print, click Print. If you're prompted for a format, choose Voucher, then select your printer and click Print. If you use pre-printed check stock or voucher paper, make sure the alignment and paper type in your printer settings match what you're using. The voucher provides the stub detail your vendor or your internal records may need, so accuracy here matters. If you're paying multiple bills and want vouchers to print with checks in one go, use the Pay Bills workflow. Go to Vendors, then click Pay Bills. Select the bills you want to pay and click Pay Selected Bills. Choose Check as the payment method and check the box for Print Checks. Click Pay Selected Bills to queue them for printing. Next, go to File, choose Print Forms, then select Checks. Pick the checks you just created and click Print. The voucher will print together with the check, giving you the detail for each payment without opening transactions one by one. That's it. You now have two dependable ways to print payment vouchers in QuickBooks Desktop quickly and accurately.